everyone, welcome to day 146 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the butterfly shell stitch. This stitch is done on a foundation row, which is a multiple of 6 plus 2 stitches. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24 plus 2, 25, 26 stitches. Okay, so now I'm going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now skip chain 2 stitches and then skip the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2. Into the third stitch, you're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet, all into the same chain space. Now this is considered a V-stitch. Again chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches and single crochet into the next one. So you're going to continue this till the end of the row. That is chain 2, skip 2, make a double crochet V-stitch. That is 1 double crochet and a chain 2. Again 1 double crochet into the same space. Again chain 2, skip 2, 1 single crochet. This is more like you're basically anchoring the V-stitch in between. So chain 2, start with a single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, V-stitch, again chain 2, skip 2, single crochet. Okay, so you're going to continue this till the end of the row. Chain 2, skip 2, V-stitch, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet, so if you got everything right, your row should end with a single crochet. Okay, so this is row 1. Now for row 2, you're going to chain 3 and turn your work. And you're going to make a puff stitch around the post of the V-stitch. So this is what forms the butterfly-like texture onto your stitches. So this texture that is there is done by creating a front post puff stitch. Now chain 1, okay, and make 7 double crochet into the chain 2 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again make a front post puff stitch around the double crochet. Okay, chain 1, skip this next single crochet and repeat the same thing. Start off with a front post puff stitch, make 7 chain 1 and make 7 double crochet stitches, and make another front post puff stitch. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet and repeat. So you do this till you reach the end of the row. So we are here at the final single crochet, on top of which we'll be making 1 double crochet stitch. So that completes row 2. Okay. Now chain 4, which counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 1, and turn your work. So double crochet into the very first single crochet from the previous row. This counts as a V-stitch. Now chain 2, skip the next 3 double crochets, and you're going to make 1 single crochet on the middle shell right here. Again chain 2. Now make a V-stitch. In between the puff stitches in this row. Okay. Again chain 2, make a single crochet in the middle of the shell, chain 2, make a V-stitch in the middle of the puff stitch, again chain 2, make a single crochet in the middle of the shell, again chain 2, puff stitch in the middle of, a V-stitch in the middle of the puff stitches, chain 2, single crochet in the middle of the shell, chain 2, and making a final V-stitch in the last stitch here as well. So basically now we are going to alternate the shell stitches. chain 3, turn your work, three double crochet into the first V stitch, and you're just going to make one puff stitch into this one. This is like a half shell. Okay, again chain 1, skip this single crochet, go into the next stitch, make a front post puff stitch, chain 1, and start making your 7 double crochet shell. And make a front post puff stitch. Chain 1, skip this one, this single crochet, make a front post puff stitch, and this is how you continue the pattern. So now the next row you will be starting off with the single crochet and making a V stitch in between the puff stitch, again single crochet, V stitch in between the puff stitch, interlacing the shell stitch pattern, thus creating the butterfly stitch. So do try out this pattern, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section, or you can DM us to our Instagram page. We'll definitely get to it. And I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.